Hello everyone, so today I'm going to do a couple more edits on these previous shoots, and this one is for Sigma 35mm F1.2 Art 019. So let's get started, and then the first thing I'm going to change to standard profile. And then the exposure I'm gonna increase a little bit more for this one, and I'm gonna do it reduce some yellow, and reduce the green. Okay, and then just do some quick touch up. Okay, and then because this is backlight, I'm gonna just move it a little bit, add a little bit more contrast. Add more shadow to the front also. Okay, so more shadow in the front, and then let me do one test to see how the Portraiture 3 going. So let me do one quick one. So the Portraiture 3, select the skin tone and then do the masking on top of it. Okay, so as you can see, it's very sharp on the focus for the lens also, so I think that's good for the Portraiture 3. Let me export it out. So then next one, I'm gonna do copy, paste it all the same in here first so that it's brighter. Do some quick retouching. Okay, so let me use the shadow one more time here. Okay, so next one, so let me do this one, Portraiture 3. Wait for the dialog to come up and then edit. Okay, once you finish, export it out. This one also, so let me see, the focus is on right on the eyes. Let me clean up the skin a little bit. Okay, that's good. And then do a more shadow in this area. Okay, that's good. And do one smoothing skin a little bit. And then do one more shadow area. Okay, so that's good. And then do a portraiture 3 in here.
Every time that my mind slip, I just see my past life. Having dreams in a dream, I wonder why I carried on with the things that made you lose your mind. There's no way I can undo what I've done.
Export this out. I like this angle also, so this is nice. Let me clean up the skin a little bit.
So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of town. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D.
So smooth it out a little bit more in here. Okay, increase the, and do one more shadow on the area.
All my friends keep on saying that I'm better off alone. They don't
So
know
that's
what
good.
it feels
And then do a portraiture 3 in here, slightly.
damn obsessed with myself. Wanna hit the reverse on what's broken. Can we be strangers against our friends like a morning? But what's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me.
Okay, export it out. And then this one is similar. Let me see. Oh, this one is already in the tip file, so last time we edited this one already. So let me edit this one. Smooth out the skin a little bit.
I shoot in the dark, so I miss my target. It's the time to move on, but I can't.
Okay, increase the exposure, decrease the highlights,
So I miss.
and then do the shadow.
It's the time to move on. You know. So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom.
One more shadow in here.
But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print.
Okay, that's good. And then do a portraiture 3 on top of it. And let me Okay, so next one, this one is the different tone. So the first thing, okay, I will leave keep these three on the next video, so make it short for this one. So stay tuned for the next one coming up. Bye.